Hello children, welcome back to your maths class. Children, today on page number 41 we will do this exercise. Read here what is written here. Write the missing numbers in the empty boxes. So what you have to do here, you have to fill the missing numbers. You can see here a few numbers are written and few boxes are blank. So what you will do, you will fill these blanks. Here counting from 1 to 50 is given, in which some numbers are written and some are blank. So you will fill the missing blanks. Okay, so now let's start. 1, you will start from left to right. 1, 2, recite the numbers and write the counting. What will come next? 3. What will come next? 4. 5, it's written. Count forward. 6. Come downward. Count forward. 7. Again 8. 9. Next number 10. Count forward. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. Come down. 1, 3, 13. Here number 14 is written. Number 15 is already written. Count forward. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. What comes next? Count forward. 1, 9, 19. Come down. 2, 0, 20. Now write from right to left. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22 is written. Count forward. 2, 3, 23. Next 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. It's written. Now come down. 2, 6, 26. Children, you have to write the numbers by touching the bottom line. Okay, please take care of this thing. Next 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28 it's written. Next 2, 9, 29. Then 3, 0, 30. What comes next? 3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32 it's written. Now come down. 3, 3, 33. Again write from right to left. 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35 it's written. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. And the next 3, 8, 38 it's written. What comes next? 3, 9, 39. Then 4, 0, 40. Count the numbers and complete the series. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. It's written. Now come down. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47 it's written. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. And the last is 5, 0, 50. And here it's N. You start from here and then it's come to N on number 50. So in this way children, you will do this page. Now come to page number 42. Now this is page 42. What you have to do on this page, read aloud with me. Read the numbers in the tens and ones place and write the numbers. What you have to do children, here the numbers are written separately in ones and tens column. You have to write the number. When you write in your maths notebook, in one block you write ones number and in second block you write the tens number. So now you will join these two numbers and you will write here. So now read the number first. 3 ones, 4 tens. Then what will be the number? It becomes 4 3 43. And the second is 6 ones 1 tens. Then what will be the number? 1 6 16. Next 9 ones 2 tens. Then what will be the number? 2 9 29. Next 5 0 5 ones 0 tens. Then the number will be 5. As on tens place, here it is 0. So then our number will be 5. Okay, now read here. 0 ones 3 tens. Then what will be the number? It will be 3 0 30. Okay, 8 ones 2 tens. Then the number will be here 2 8 28. Okay, now 2 ones 4 tens. The number will be 4 2 42. Next is 1 ones 1 tens, and the number will be 1 1 11. And the last is 4 ones 3 tens. The number will be 3 4 34. Okay children, so in this way children, you will do this page number 42. Okay, now come to page number 43. Read here. Write numbers 1 to 50. This page is homework for you. What you have to do, you have to write numbers from 1 to 50. You will recite the numbers and you will write down. Okay, in one line you will write the 10 numbers. Okay, like 1 to 10 here, 11 to 20 here, 21 to 30 here, 31 to 40 here, and 41 to 50 here. So you will write the numbers in proper formation. Please take care of formation, and you will write the numbers by touching the bottom line, like you can see like this, 2. Okay, in this way you will do. So this is all about your maths work. Thank you students.